Here's our fresh Auman model, Auman GTL490. A gas car with the Auman's sleek design. The sun visor feature has been omitted, replaced by a stylish 5-tier flying grille. The bumper features a segmented style, complementing the glittering Galaxy platform technology. Headlamps that enhance nighttime visibility. The rearview mirror carries our unique integrated rearview mirror for smoother driving and reduced gas usage. This vehicle sports a powerful Fucani series 12-liter 490 HP gas engine. Gas tank holds 1,000 liters with an expanded warranty of 3 years. This vehicle sports a powerful Fucani series gas engine paired with a manual fast gearbox. The rear axle is lightweight, making this 8,300 kilograms on-vehicle perfect for medium and short-distance transportation, offering great value for money. Why not consider owning one?